NTS series Pharma lifter, telescopic and movable, is a mechanical and electrical integrated equipment. Pharma lifter is essential for solid dosage processes and suitable for transferring, lifting, and charging materials in pharmaceutical, food, and chemical industries. It optimizes technical processes and reduces labor work, and it is very efficient in controlling dust and cross pollution. Pharma lifter complies entirely GMP requirement. When working, push the drum into the lifting work support of the lifter and connect it with the core adapter. Lift to the set height and slew 180 degrees. Then lift to the required discharging position. Connect to the charging port of the next process equipment, and then open the butterfly valve to discharge the materials. When discharging is finished, lift back to the set height. Turn back 180 degrees. Bring the drum down to the initial position, release the lock and core adapter, and pull out the drum to finish the process.